Well, welcome to Training Tuesday. I hope that your holidays and new year were fantastic and you're ready for today's webinar on Dayton Superior. We're looking ahead to 2025. We're so happy that you could join us today. And my name is Heidi Reese, the Training Programs Manager here at Dayton Superior. Just a couple of items before we get started. Everybody on the call has joined muted, although I am hearing an echo, so let's see what's going on there real quick. So I don't want that to stop you from any kind of communication with me. You can do that through the chat functionality. And we can talk as the presenter is going through his presentation. Just a couple things to also know. We do record these and we put them out on our Dayton Superior YouTube channel, as well as DaytonSuperior.com. Just search for Training Tuesday. You can see all of the past ones out there, as well as any coming up you can register for. It's a great resource for you to have available for any trainings that we have done in the past. All right, so this presentation is intended for training purposes only. So for any kind of technical specifications, and we're not really going to go too much into that, but there's some products in here. So before using them, please refer to DaytonSuperior.com for the TDS technical data sheets, as well as the safety data sheets available for each of our products. Just search for the product and you can find that on DaytonSuperior.com. So typically here I go through the whole who is Dayton Superior, but guess what? We're going to talk about that holistically through this presentation. Going to really give you a feel for who we are and what we can add to make your life simpler, hopefully, and overall adding the value to help you succeed on your next project. We really are excited to let you know about all of the items and the new product lineups. And with us today is none other than Mr. Sean McNamara, who is our very own professional engineer and the VP of Product Engineering and Strategy for Dayton Superior. Sean has a civil engineering degree from the University of South Florida and over 15 years of experience in the concrete construction world. He's leading the charge at Dayton Superior for new product development, and he's going to tell you a little more about what's going on for 2025. So go ahead, Sean.
Fantastic. Thanks, Heidi, and everyone who joined. I am looking forward to covering all of our exciting offerings this afternoon. Great, so just jump into it. So Dayton Superior leads the concrete construction industry with valuable solutions, a trusted product portfolio, exceptional service, expert engineering support, and extensive training. We will review these today and help guide you in what Dayton Superior can provide for you. There's so much you can get with Dayton Superior, and we'll discuss just a few of our brands and solutions throughout the presentation. So we were established in 1924, and our Simons brand was actually founded in 1901, so a bit older. We have offerings in both domestic products for Buy America and American specifications, and non-domestic products tailored for your economic projects that require reliable performance while offering the added competitiveness needed to ensure success. Additionally, we have industry-leading quality control, support, and programs, both here and abroad and here in the US. And we also have an in-house engineering team covering the US, Canada, Mexico, and beyond. So as you can see here, we're going to first discuss some of the accessories from our concrete construction portfolio. As mentioned before, we offer products to help support the construction of infrastructure projects, including everything from rebar supports, bridge deck solutions, and rebar splicing products. In addition, we offer solutions for tilt-up, precast, and wall forming with support tools and proprietary software to improve accuracy and success rate at landing projects. These product brands shown here cover a vast array of industry excellence, knowledge, and include specialized products such as our innovative AccuBrace system, HK composite line within our Superior tilt portfolio, with the addition of our taper lock machines and our rebar splicing line. The best part about all these portfolios is that every single brand shown here can be combined with another to provide a bundled solution offering to make your project more successful and economical. Again, building off our complete product portfolio, we have the industry's most complete line. And in addition to our accessories and forming products, we offer an extensive line of chemicals for concrete repair, restoration, decorative, and general concrete construction. There are solutions specifically formulated to meet the design specifications for new construction and/or restoration needs. We also have a dedicated technical support staff to assist with specification assistance and project-specific solutions to ensure your project is completed on time. We also work with industry-leading certification and government agencies such as IATMO, ICC, LEED, MASS, and most, if not all, of the state DOTs. All of our chemicals adhere to strict quality programs, and as mentioned, we have a full-service technical services team who can assist with installation, troubleshooting, and product questions. Additionally, we have a full chemical lab here in Ohio where we perform R&D and new product development on new products like our recently launched Superior Finishing Aid and Superior Wall Finish. Additionally, which Heidi will probably mention here later in the presentation, we also offer up our innovation center in our chemical lab to do trainings and in-house presentations and know-how for all of our chemical products. And then moving forward here, our forming and shoring line with our Simons brand is a well-known name within the industry. And for over 100 years, the Simons brand has been trusted to provide forming and shoring solutions, which we offer for purchase and rental. These products provide many labor savings features, such as providing strength and adaptation to meet your largest capacity requirements. The Simons portfolio covers everything from handset forms with the industry's workhorse steel ply to heavy, more custom formwork, such as our Maxiform system for large-scale forming and heavy civil projects. We're constantly working to bring new products to our portfolio in 2025, which we'll touch on here later. Great. So engineering. So our products are all designed and tested for applicable ASTM and ACI standards, but Dayton Superior can also provide engineered solutions for your specific project needs. We've also seen some of our engineering brands in a previous slide, but we'll delve into these engineering solutions in a bit more detail here now. As you'll see with our products, engineering is top of mind. We have the largest, most experienced engineering team in the industry to support that. Dayton Superior provides itself in providing value-added services to accompany our products. Our engineering assistance can be offered throughout all of our product lines, whether for technical guidance, testing, software needs, and/or PE stamping services. One specific example of our engineering services includes assistance with bridge decks and bridge deck hanger spacing calculations. We have a new software service offering called BridgeWorks, which will be launched here in Q1 of 2025, which will help you work with our engineers to get the appropriate task completed quickly and efficiently while leveraging the latest in structural design and structural design software. Additionally, our chemical division has a technical service sales team and a dedicated tech support hotline. Product development, DOT specifications, in-house R&D, and testing are all additional ways we work to help you with your project needs. Something additional that we launched in 2024 and having planned improvements in 2025 is our interactive DOT and BABA map, or Buy America, Build America, located on our website to help provide you with all of our products which have specific state approvals. Again, keeping the engineering mindset here, but moving on to tilt-up construction. Our Superior Tilt engineering team offers diverse options to provide the engineering support required for this construction methodology. Our dedicated superior tilt team understands that some of the project schedules are demanding, which is why we also provide support outside normal business hours for your project success. Our team has stringent multi-level quality control processes for engineering submittals that provide efficient yet safe designs and reduce mistakes and costly repairs, which can lead to additional crane time. Layout services and tools are available for assisting providing rebar placement drawings, estimations and takeoffs, 3D modeling, panel shop drawings, installation shop drawings, and thermal envelope reviews, all via TiltWorks, SlabWorks, and CompositeWorks, which we'll talk about here now. One of the benefits of these software solutions is that you can also use them on your own or have our team of engineers provide these services for your next project. TiltWorks is a total tilt-up design package that all parties in the construction process can utilize on the projects, from the architect down to the material provider. TiltWorks incorporates all dimensional, product, and engineering elements for a complete package, helping to shorten the building design and the construction timeframe. Rebar shop and placement drawings, shop drawings, lifting and bracing engineering, slab capacity verification, and project summary lists are just some of the features that TiltWorks and our engineering department can provide. And as you can see here in the video, this is a import-export engine, which we developed within the last 12 months and is available on the Autodesk suite as a third-party plugin. And you can actually import and export Revit files directly into TiltWorks, which helps save on data entry and some of the laborious and redundant, but yet important part of the construction process and design process. As a part of the TiltWorks design suite, we recently added SlabWorks, which is an additional module built into TiltWorks that users can access free of charge. Additionally, our technical sales team, if you don't have access to TiltWorks, can provide a complete slab takeoff for all your construction accessories and chemicals with just some basic information provided. And as you can see here on the graphic, you can actually get a full bill of materials takeoff for all of our Dayton Superior accessories. So that includes rebar, chairs, bar supports, chemical products, and even Cody clip takeoffs if needed. So as of last year and moving into this year, CompositeWorks was recently designed as a proprietary software here internally at Dayton Superior to help support and bolster insulated wall panel design for partially composite, precast, and tilt-up walls. We incorporate practicality in mind, and the software communicates with TiltWorks to eliminate redundancy in drawing and modeling projects. Again, we designed this in mind to have an import-export engine for TiltWorks so you can remove any redundancies in modeling and data entry. So once you design your project in TiltWorks, you can instantly export this into CompositeWorks and then do your full partially composite precast and or tilt-up wall. If you contact our technical sales team to schedule, we can provide a trial account and a tailored one-on-one webinar at no charge for your specific needs. Another service offering from our engineering team that we recently brought on as of last year was we can assist precast customers who need engineering assistance or those requiring help with unique details. With these type of precast applications, engineering needs to be detailed regarding the special capacities on our engineered products. Although a lot of our projects are one-off and specially engineered, we commonly utilize principles and standards from ACI 318, Chapter 17, commonly referred to the Anchorage chapter within ACI, and other applicable codes, and can provide the approximate utilization for each Dayton Superior product on your project. Another significant part of our engineering services scope is Simon's forming and shoring. A Simon's typical engineering package includes specific pour pressure sheet, ID and safety sheets, assembly, isometric drawings, and specific application drawings. Simon's can also incorporate customization as it is needed using our design software. In addition, Simon's can handle estimations, PE reviews, stamps, calculations, BOM development, technical resources, AutoCAD, SolidWorks deliverables, vendor quality reviews, finished product inspections, and finally, strength calculations and testing. So it's a fully encompassed engineering service offering, and we have coverage across the entire continental US. Fantastic. So Heidi's favorite part, training here. So Dayton Superior stands behind our product lines by offering expert training with our knowledgeable training staff. If you require assistance or engineering tools or just want to know more about them, we can definitely help with that. Architects and engineers can trust Dayton Superior's continuing education programs that have been vetted and approved by the American Institute of Architects, also known as AIA. Our Superior Tilt-Up training is offered to become a Tilt-Up authorized dealer and sell our trusted Tilt-Up products. This program keeps you informed and illustrates best practices while using our Tilt-Up systems. Renewal and refresher courses are always available, and for new associates or for those who want to keep up with industry standards and innovations. We also provide a wide selection of Superior training for whatever you need. You can actually scan the QR code here shown on the bottom right-hand of the screen to request a training. Dayton Superior's corporate location offers top-notch training facility for over 100 attendees, and you can discover our Innovation Center and Chemical Lab for practical learning experiences like I mentioned before. We've had a lot of great success here in the past scheduling these types of events, and they've been very inclusive and knowledgeable for the attendees. Quick introductory lunch and learns can be provided virtually or in person, or a customized solution to meet your company's needs can be arranged. Looking for a refresher or just a quick intro, you can go to DaytonSuperior.com's website and search Training Tuesday. You'll find all past trainings by topic when you are ready to do so. Great. So as you can see here in the back, this is a quick little snippet of part of our innovation center. And here at Dayton Superior, we continue to develop new products, providing engineering solutions for accessories, chemicals, forming and shoring products that support general construction, infrastructure, rebar splicing, precast, tilt-up, and tilt-up solutions. Let's explore some of the unique product portfolio and highlighting some of the latest innovations to support your 2025 projects. So on the left here, in consideration and preparation for the Buy America, Build America, so BABA, we are working to consolidate and redesign some of our bar support portfolio to ensure our offering is applicable, encompassing, and straightforward for your project needs in 2025 and beyond. Be on the lookout for some exciting new offerings in the first part of 2025. Our Cody Clip offering here on the right has been immensely successful since acquisition in 2021, and our improvements in addition of the new battery power gun for Cody Clip now opens usage to all different types of construction without the need of accessible air on site. So the battery power tool you see on the right is our 4.5 tool, and that is available and ready to ship now. And the 5.6 tool will be available soon this year. So on the left here, you see the bridge deck as we're continuing to monitor the market and see ample opportunities for more large-scale infrastructure projects, and our recent product additions will make you and your customers more successful in landing them. On the right, you can see, just going in that notion, on the right, you can see some of our Simon's products. We have, commonly we had our circular column forms, our CCF, but we introduced the Tower Max, which is very similar to our CCF system, but it actually replaces it. It's made of all steel construction, primarily used in highway and bridge applications. It's 100% compatible with our MaxForm systems and bullnose applications. And it's just a superior system to the CCF system. Additionally, right below that, our mega panel for our Simply system is actually a 9x8 panel, which will be released sometime this year, probably the beginning half of 2025. And it is our biggest panel yet. So keeping labor and gang forming in mind, it'll help you save time and money on your next project. So we mentioned infrastructure. Splicing has had a big year with new products in 2024 and leading into into 2025, including the introduction of our all-new D390 hybrid grout sleeve, which combines our D310 taper lock coupler and our D410 sleeve lock grout sleeve and the accompanying high-strength D490 grout. The great thing about this product is it's versatile and forgiving. It allows for more field tolerance on the grouted connection. It's also tested and compliant with ICC ES AC 133. It's listed in IATMO and ER 319. It's available for all rebar sizes 4 through 18, and you can use it with grades 60, 75, and 80 rebar. And it offers a taper lock type 2 taper thread as well. The D340 coupler, as you can Nope, let me go here. The D340 coupler, as you can see here, comes in both metal and now plastic flange versions and simplifies the forming process by eliminating the need to cut or drill into the formwork. You can use it on segmental pours, precast applications, and formal applications, among some. The new plastic version offers additional corrosion protection for more corrosive environments where Chromex and stainless steel rebar may be prevalent. And then finally, we have our new 3rd generation taper lock machine, and it can be utilized to save rebar fabricators time and money by maximizing throughput rates and minimizing changeover, maintenance time, and cost. Some of the improvements and new features for 2025 include a fully automated electronic leveling system, which lines up with our current rolling table, extended tool life, threads for all common types of rebar, versatile and easy to use, better threading, better cutting. It's a bit lighter of a machine, so just continuously improving our current 2G line and with the 3G line. We've also been very busy here on the precast side of things, but continue to expand our precast portfolio for 2025. Our double T anchor, as shown here with our transition clips, is a high strength lifting anchor designed specifically for use within double T concrete beams and girders. It uses 2 adapter clips with our P99 void former and utilizes the P91 8 to 12 ton or the T120 ring clutch. It does pair with the existing P99 void former through 2 P77H adapter clips. It's great because it can be used in heavily congested areas within the web and the double T beams and girders. It's available in 8 ton, which is 18 inches long, and it's also available in 10 ton, which is 23 inches long. Also here, which is appropriate for both precast and tilt up, is our finishing aid. So it allows for an enhanced and easier finishing experience, especially when working with type 1L and Portland limestone cement, which has become much more abundant within the market these days. Continuing on the path of both precast and tilt up is our insulated wall panel system. Dayton Superior and HK Composites combined forces last year to provide a full solution for connecting insulated concrete sandwich panels to improve thermal performance and maximize efficiency. HK's unique system combines foam insulation sandwiched between 2 layers of concrete and HK's patented tie system, as you can see here. HK's thermopolymer connector ties are impact resistant and have solutions for non-composite, partially composite, and vertical pour applications. So be on the lookout this year for new products and continue engineering services and support. Now moving further into the tilt up line. Last year, we introduced the T72 roof nailer anchor. So the roof nailer anchor is an innovative product which creates secure anchorage into the concrete to provide strong connections to the roof nailer boards, window frames, door frames, or even the downspout attachments. In addition, the PBA 10K, as you can see in the video here, offers a quick, discreet, and durable system engineered to permanently connect concrete panels to footings and meet structural integrity requirements as specified in ACI and PCI. Additionally, the system, when adding the shear connector attachment, has been tested for applications in seismic design categories A through F, which is a first of its kind within the market. So I know that we've gone over many products due to time, but there are various training Tuesdays available to go into more detail on DaytonSuperiors.com's website, or you can contact the training department at training@DaytonSuperior.com to set up a tutorial. And with that, I'm going to hand it back over to Heidi Reese to review all of our resources and support contacts within the organization.
Thanks so much, Sean. So Superior Wall Finish, I just want to put a plug in for that guy too. You can use that around tilt up. It's, as you see, it takes and makes a nice sheen and has the feather light. So everything is very nice, smooth, and even. There was a lot that you went over. You are correct. So yeah, just another plug for training in general. We went through a lot here. So if there's anything that piqued your interest, the takeaway is specifically, we have quite a bit, but we have quite a bit that we can utilize and put together, whether it be our experts in engineering, our experts in training, me as an organizer with the training. We've got Chuck Hoke, who is online national training manager. We can send him out to you or virtually. We've got resources. So what we're going to talk about here is our DaytonSuperior.com. We've probably referenced that. I think that was the fourth time through this presentation, but the important thing is that it is a good resource for you. Go out there and you can find product and system web pages, application guides. You can read this slide. We have quite a bit of everything. The key takeaway is that if you have found a product with all the new product mentions that Sean just stated, you can simply search in the search box, find it, you'll get to a product page, and on the left, you will find all of the information, whether they be brochures, or if they're chemicals, you can have guide documents, DOT information. In addition, you can see right here to the right, there's a little map, right? And that is the interactive DOT information in BABA that you can go in and find the state that you want to know the product, if it is available to meet those specifications and criteria. And then we also have people behind the scenes that if you have questions or need letters that you can get that provided to you as well. We have software packages and estimations. I mean, we have a lot here for you. And more importantly, we have an ability for you to find the correct contact, whether it be for the Dayton Superior or the Simons portion of the business. If you go to our website, once again, DaytonSuperior.com, and you go into the contact us, you'll find the page that looks like this, with either phone numbers directly or where you can click and get a form so you can kind of spell it out and send it and someone will contact you very quickly. Or we have the regional maps where you can, once again, go and pick the state that you're in and see not only your technical sales representative, but you can see your customer service person as well as your dealer sales manager. In addition, you can find all of the segment leaders on there, whether they be for tilt up or precast, chemicals, splicing, and then you can get to the information that you need. So with that, we are pretty much right on time. Are there any questions that you would like to say? Just I want to remind you that these are recorded and we put them out on to DaytonSuperior.com as well as YouTube channel. If you do have any comments, feel free to include those in the Q&A portion of Zoom, and we can get to those. All right. Well, I appreciate everybody taking the time. And Sean, thank you for coming out and showing us all the goods that Dayton Superior has to offer, whether it be brands, people, new products, you name it. And I want to put a plug in. Chuck and I and the team will be out in 2 weeks in Las Vegas at the World of Concrete. The time change will be 1 p.m. their time. So I think it's 4 p.m. Eastern. So please sign up for the next one. Next one is vertical wall forming, I believe, with Chuck. And then after that will be the World of Concrete. So save the date, okay? And I want everyone to have a fantastic Tuesday, and I hope to see you next week. Thanks, everyone.